Mcquire, and I have a new toy that I use on my farm. This is a Rantizo drone that I use for spraying my crops, and also what you see here is a spinner spreader that I have on the unit right now doing a cover crop seeding into soybeans. I put on a few extra containers there to get a little more product carried on the unit when it's flying. And I set up fields, individual fields, they're called missions. This unit is calibrated to put 50 pounds of rye on at this time. It's spreading it at a 15-foot spray pattern, 7 feet above the crop is what I'm flying. And my objective is to start building soil health and providing a cover crop on my farm fields, hopefully to control erosion and just build better soil. Used it to spray herbicides on my soybeans. I've also gone in because I have been battling white mold in soybeans, and I've used the drone also to apply a fungicide to it. Then in addition to that, I've gone ahead and I've applied a fungicide on my corn. This controller is the unit that controls this drone. This controller will control up to 5 of these at one time. What I do is I map out a field, and then I set the flight pattern, or the mission as we call it, based on how wide a span. This is 15 foot for spreading, but when I'm spraying, I'm 20 foot. This thing is really accurate in being able to apply a product, and I think that's what appeals to me, that I could spot treat an area in a field rather than spray the whole field. The other thing is there's no compaction issue. It won't get stuck. I can go right after a rain and spray, so I'm not limited. The biggest limitation is the battery life is one of them, but I think that'll only improve as time goes on. And the other limitation is what it can carry. If I'm spraying 14 acres an hour, the cost is probably in that $11.50, maybe $12 an acre cost for a plot. Gives you some idea as to, it's not as cost effective as a commercial applicator with a big unit or an airplane. We're probably right in between that. It wasn't until July of 2019 that the company Rantizo out of Iowa City, Iowa, was the first one in the country to get an FAA approval to bring this drone and be able to apply, spray, drop anything out of a drone. And it's worked out really well. I use my farm as kind of a testing ground because this is brand new. I'm the first one in the state that was certified with this company to be able to fly and fly.